Morning my loves, welcome to episode 4 of Vlogmas. I haven't really said much in my vlogs because I'm not feeling well. I still have the flu. I'm on my 2nd week down bad and can't believe this is my life, but I figured I should greet you guys this time around because I know y'all miss my voice. I'm kidding, but if you're new here, my name is Baby Joame, and if you clicked on this video, you are at the right place at the right time, and you're gonna want to stay. In fact, you've already stayed, so do the right thing and hit that subscribe button to become a part of our family. And if you're returning, you know I love you, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and to hit that notification bell because baby. So I wasn't initially gonna do Vlogmas, but I'm gonna phone on it, but like just seeing people starting their Vlogmas late, I was like, I can do this, you know, I can do this. So I'm gonna do a video every 2 days. So every 2 days, 7 a.m. in the morning, you're gonna see my video there. Okay, you're gonna get a notification because you hit that notification bell, and we're doing this Vlogmas thing. Today is a Wednesday. I wasn't gonna vlog today because, like, do you hear my voice? Literally was gonna spend the day in bed, but my man is coming through. He's gonna work from here because we just want to chill. He's gonna work from here. So yeah, I'm just gonna spend the day with him. So I just wanted to vlog that just in case, you know, because we never know what we might get up to. So yeah, we're up now. Tlotamaya to go by Amagwenya. So Amagwenya are near my mom's work, so we're gonna pass by and say hi to her. But yeah, I really hope you guys can hear me because the more I'm speaking, the more my voice is fading. And I've been drinking hot water. Where's my bottle? I'll show you guys. I went to donate blood the other day. I'll insert the clip because I haven't gotten a chance to talk about it, but I didn't vlog it. I'll insert the clip. I went to donate blood and we'll talk about it, and we'll talk about the cup then. But yeah, I'm just gonna go freshen up. Then we're gonna walk to my mom's work. This also forms a part of my exercise for the day, which is perfect because I don't think I would have been able to move my body to do any other form of exercise. You guys saw yesterday when I was cooking and stuff with my sister. That's all I could give yesterday. Like, I was craving what I was craving, so I made food to eat and I ate. Morning, Masu. Oh, she's not dressed. And then yeah, so we're just gonna head out. She's sick too now. My brother's also coughing, so it's a pandemic in this house. Epidemic. Get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, we're gonna go back Makwenya, and then yeah, that's probably all the talking that you're gonna get from me right now. And then maybe when I share about donating blood and why I'm so glad that I did it, then we'll talk some more. But yeah, some to tell me when you tell me and yeah, I think we're gonna leave my brother because he's also down bad. If he can't get up, we're not gonna force him. I'm just gonna leave him, and then tell him going say hi to mommy, come back and eat, yeah. And feeling positive. And your pussy first thing must be, I need to clean their stomachs because I think that's why this flu. But yeah, guys, let's go to Tenamagunya, then we'll catch up. Yeah. This is the part where I cue the Bible verse. And a lot of people have been really liking like the preaching in my vlogs. and I love it too. When I'm looking for these videos, I sometimes find like the best. Some of them I can't add them, mainly because it might be too long or in a language that I think people might not understand, and I don't know how to put subtitles. Like I put a Zulu one the other day and I was like, should I write subtitles? But I'm not fluent in Zulu like that. But yeah, this is the part where I cue the preaching, and I love it so much because I feel like some people don't get a chance to hear the word, and some people don't feel like they deserve to hear the word, like they don't deserve that relationship with God. And adding this might just change someone's life, change someone's day. So yeah, this is the part where I add the preaching when I'm shooting some B-roll, because you guys deserve a little Jesus in your lives, okay? Especially through my vlogs, because what a disservice I would be doing for you guys if I didn't share the word of God with you guys, when God has told me so many times that, yay, use your platform for what I've called you to do. So even on the days when I feel like I'm unworthy of being the one to share the word with you, then we both need to hear it. That's why I put it in the video for me. And some of them, not all of them, relate to what I'm going through. So some of them are personal, but sometimes it's just a word that I thought, wow, I should share with you guys. So I'm glad that you like them. Also, I know I'm talking too much, but thank you for 250 subbies. 250. I never thought we would see the day, because there was a time when I was stuck on 180, and I was telling my cousin, I'm like, I'm stuck. Like I go 181, 182, and then I go back to 180. I don't know what's happening. But Vlogmas did the things. No, Vlogtober did the things, and it pushed us to 200 and something. So now Diary of a Soul in Bloom got us about 15 new subbies between the beginning of November and right now. 15 new subbies just from that series in particular. People took a liking to it very much, which I appreciate. So thank you guys so much. And we've reached 1K likes. So people have liked my videos 1,000 times. Like, excuse me, I appreciate you guys. That's why creators will always ask, like, comment and share, because we see those things and they matter. They do, like in the overall analytics of things, they matter. So thank you so much. I know I never really come on here and talk to you guys and thank you guys, but I appreciate you. I appreciate the people in my comments. I want to do shout outs to a few people, but I'll put their names on the screen because you guys' comments keep me going. Excuse me, like the support that I'm receiving from, I don't even want to call you strangers anymore, because I feel like I know you guys. Like, and the fact that you guys are fellow content creators, you know how hard it is to open your video and see that nobody liked it, nobody commented, but it has been viewed 70 times. So I appreciate every comment, every like. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Okay, I'm gonna keep quiet. Let's listen to the word of God, okay?
Hey, what's next is Jesus. What's next is Jesus. What are you doing next year, Jesus? What am I doing next week, Jesus? What am I doing next week's Tuesdays, Jesus? What am I doing in the next 5 years? It's Jesus. What's my 10-year plan? There is nothing else but Him. Nothing else but Him. There is absolutely nothing else but Him. Your car is not going to get you there. That job is not going to get you there. That husband is not getting you there. The money is not getting you there. Jesus says stone upon stone demolished. And watch this, the only thing that will be standing is you declaring Him. He says at this point you have an opportunity to tell them about me. But the problem is you don't have anything to say because you don't know Him. And that's not even your biggest problem. The biggest problem is He doesn't know you. And we can gather like this every other Sunday, every other Saturday. In fact, let them give us this building. We've got great use for it in Jesus' name. But it will be a futile exercise. If you're spiritually obese and you walk these streets and there is no transformation. How will we know them? By their fruits. How will we see them? By how they love each other. How will we know that there are children of God? How do we know that they love him? Jesus says, if you do, then you will keep my commandments. What is next is to keep his commandments. What is next is to love on him. What is next is to surrender your life unto him. What is next is for you to go away from your old life, turn and go back to Jesus.
I'm guessing.
That's really nice. Oh my gosh. I'm even gonna win this one.
Yes, you can. Wait. Let's see.
It's okay. It's fine.
Tuloy na makilit. Yeah. Peace.
Enjoy better than fish.
Yeah, fish in the
It's nice. I like it. It's bigger than regular picantos, and it looks like an I-10.
It looks like a big I-10.
But it can't be an I-10 because that's a Kia.
Exactly. What's it? I-10 on steroids.
You see, this car and that one, same thing, man.
No, this is small.
This is smaller. You're saying the I-10 is smaller than the picanto?
Yes. That one is huge.
I want to see it on the inside. I want to know what it has.
The body is just huge.
I want to know. I want to see.
Maybe the space inside the cabin.
It's smaller.
But other than that,
But I tell you, say computer 99. I tell you,
I manja computer.
Sure. A lot of people are gonna buy it. It's really nice.
If it's affordable. Because
it's
for
picanto.
Picanto is, I think Picanto is 200.
Then I-10. Ngoba beyimbi nje lawa ama-previous picanto they were ugly. And you're right, the I-10 is small. Yesterday's vlog didn't go as planned. Today is a Thursday, so I figured I'd just continue a bit. I wanted to show you guys my car yesterday, but we didn't get there. I literally just got up. So I went to donate blood the other day. I'll add the clips so you guys can see. Yes, that's me. I can't even see, but I know it's me because I can see the green. Really? And I got this cup. It's like a Stanley dude. It is big. Like, for reference, I have really long fingers. Like, this is big. Okay, like, it's bigger than the size of my head. And it has a metal straw with this like rubber thing here that comes off. And then I just want to show you that the same cup where you insert the straw, you can actually close this part and open here and drink some hot beverages. Like if I had coffee in my cup or whatever, I could still use this cup, and that makes it awesome to me. Like, it makes it so functional, and it keeps like cold water cold for longer. Like, everything they say about these cups is true. I drink like, I don't have an in-between. It's either I drink ice water or I drink like slightly hot water. There's no in-between for me. So this keeps my water hot throughout the entire night. So if I poured hot water at night, I can wake up in the morning and I can drink it hot still. If I put water with ice, I will wake up and there will be ice in this cup. So I saw this at Mr. Price. I was gonna get it, but then I remembered that when you donate blood, you get this cup. Now, the funny story about donating blood, oh my gosh, why are they making so much noise? 16, guys, and hooligans will hooligan outside. Like, how are you making so much noise? We can hear you in our homes. My phone's ringing. Okay, so anyway, as I was saying, the funny story about donating blood. When I was in high school, I had this one friend. She was part of some sort of an organization, like a Girl Scout thing, and they were told they should donate blood. So I knew about like donating blood and all of that, but I just didn't think like we could do it when we were in high school. But we were in matric, so we were old enough. So this one time I was like, I'm happy. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go. So after school we went. School came out early. We went, I think it was like 3-4 of us. We went there, So there's like a form that you have to fill in, and they have questions obviously to determine if you can or cannot donate blood. And interesting fact, I was asthmatic. Like when I was younger, I struggled so much with asthma, sinuses, and a lot of issues with my eyes, hence I wear glasses now. But like, yeah, when I was in high school, I also wore glasses. So we went, filled in the form, and they were like, no, baby, you got a lot going on. You on some chronic medication, you got a lot going on, baby girl, you got to go. So everyone donated blood except for me. So that really hurt my feelings. That really hurt my feelings. So smarty pants me the next time we went, because you fill in the form in paper and then they read it first and then they're like, no. So I went there and I went to a different blood bank place, and I lied and I donated blood. So did I not get sick afterwards? Did I not get so insanely sick? I understood why they said no the first time. But I got whatever freebie it was at the time. I think it was like USB, because they, like, when you donate blood, you get the coolest stuff ever. Sometimes it's literally just a cookie and juice, but like other times it's like, you know. So I got the USB, I went home. I didn't feel really well. I decided on that day I'll never donate blood again. But obviously I'm older now. I don't have asthma. Well, I don't struggle with asthma like I used to. So I tried to donate blood this one time with my mom. Now my mom is anemic. My mom has low iron. Tell me why Ugel would go and chant. My mom can't donate blood. She's the one who needs blood, okay? She can't. But I had just gotten my tattoo. I think it had been like a couple of weeks. I had just gotten my tattoo, and the lady was like, you can't donate blood when you've just gotten a tattoo. I was like, out there. So after that, I never really tried. Oh, sorry, I'm so tired. After that, I never really tried until now. So I went there, I filled in the form, and they were like, yeah, you can donate. And I was like, me? They check my iron levels, and the guy is like, your iron is exceptional, it's so high, you almost have like the same iron level as men, like it's too high for a woman. And I'm like, me? Like, yeah. I'm like, I know that's right. So the inner child, the inner grade 12 learner in me that was turned away for being weak was healed. Not gonna lie. But yeah, I donated blood, and honestly I didn't feel sick afterwards. I'm not even gonna lie. Because they were like, yeah, you're gonna feel a little dizzy, you must get some water. So I was on my way to go see my man. So I went to go buy like a bottle of water, and then I went to go see him. I was drinking that water. I honestly thought I was gonna feel like crap. Baby, I was good. So yeah, that's the story of the cup. That's why I'm like so happy that I got to donate blood. I'm gonna do it again. They said I must wait 2 months, then I'm gonna do it again. So I think I'm gonna be an active blood donor, because I see how anemia and all of those things are with my mom. I want to be able to save her. Now I think I want to know her blood type, my blood type. I want to know if I can donate blood to her directly. But yeah, that's me. I'm the girl. No, like, you guys don't understand how it feels to be told you can't do something because of something that's not your fault. Like, being a sickly child is like such a lot to handle. I was an athlete through and through. Like, I played netball, I did this, but sometimes you'd get kicked off the team and no one would tell you why. God, did they see you there breathing like a horse? Every time you have to play matches, they have to carry your pumps. They have to, like, during athletics, I remember this one time I was running, I think it was like even a 100-meter sprint. Like, listen, I won that thing, got gold medal and everything, but did I not almost die afterwards? So it's like, you want to, shame, my poor baby, you want to do things and you want to show up in certain areas, but you can't. Like, I honestly feel like I probably would have been a professional netball player. That's how obsessed I was with netball. But I was so sick, like high school and primary, like, you know when you're sick and everybody knows. that kind of sick where everyone sees you running and they're like, what are you doing? Like during phys ed, I had it easy, but I would still do the activity because I'm such an active person. I'm like, no, I wanna participate. And the coach would like, we're not gonna fail you just because we know you can't do it. Like we know. I'm like, bruh, let me run, just let me cook. But it's just so sad trying to do everything. Like my sister loves cross country, she loves this, but she'll come back from her races and she will be sick and not even be able to make it to school the next day. But I'm glad that she's trying, she's pushing, because the doctor did say, we have to do it anyway, like run anyway. I have to go and eat. Dumi made me chicken and mayo toast, so I'm gonna go have coffee. But yeah, and she got a certificate for cross country. I'm so proud of her, so proud. I don't know if I told you guys, but my baby's passed. But like, I never have to worry about my siblings in terms of school. Like, I know they passed, I just want to know how well they did, and they did so good. Like my brother did so good and he's going to high school. I'm so proud of him. Like even at high school, they're gonna see his report and they're gonna be like, oh, he's one of the smart kids. And I'm like, that's right. So he's going to the same high school I went to. What are the odds? Like I think like 7 years later he's gonna go to the same high school. But a lot of my cousins, a lot of my family members, everybody kind of goes there, so it was only fair that he went there. And I think his other cousins are gonna follow him because they are going to grade 7 and my sisters are also going to grade 7, so it's gonna be a whole thing of like, even when I was there I had so much family in high school, like, and sometimes I'd meet my cousin and my cousin would be like, so this is my cousin, like from their that side, or from their mom's side of the family, and I'm like, oh, so we in the club, we all fam. But I've been talking for 7 minutes straight. I'm gonna go and eat my food. Okay. But yeah, thank you for watching this vlog. I'll show you guys what I'm eating. Show you guys making my coffee, I think. And then yeah, I'm really glad you watched this far. I love you. I appreciate you. See you in the next episode of Vlogmas. Hi.